We are back once again with them Hollywood trades on gold. Today, we are still stuck in consolidation. I would dare to say no trade entry even potentially triggered. We have not gotten into the buy liquidity that would be resting here, where a lot of people would want to buy at. We have not gotten there, and we have not gotten any close above anything in this range, which would at this point be this. And sometimes they make those impossible closes like this, where it will just be a consolidation range. Some people say, how do you know when it's going to be a consolidation? Where you would trade from would be after the close above this and then a dip down. So there's still 2 steps before a buy entry here, right? So right, your consolidation range is between this low and this high, because to get a good buy, you'd either have to dip below this and then get a bullish close, or you would have to take that 1-2 step above this range and then go in, right? And so consolidation range, there's not really too much to even talk about. I mean, on the daily, we have reached our full stretch from the last measurement. I believe we can throw a new measurement on this now, though. So what I'll do is I'll take this and just create a new, that'll create a new measurement right there. So now with that, all right, that's our next target right here. We can delete this CRT because that CRT was very much smashed. This is double. I don't like that. Yeah, let's put this on this chart only because I already have something there. So basically, we see what it is. We got our deviation measurement. We see it's booking up there. It is looking like it's really wanting to go there. So again, our next long will either be from this imbalance range or from a close above one of these and a settlement. Maybe we would see some type of lower time frame break and retest, and then we'd get an entry above the range. But for now, that's pretty much it. I mean, of course, that's it for the day. Intraday, we are very simply, actually, I wouldn't even, that's not what I would want here. What I would want here is this range. I would want to see what happens from this range. So this is our support zone right now. For our next few session, or for our next session, we'll be seeing what happens there. From here to here is our range of interest. This even, yeah, that even. I guess at a certain point it's all redundant, right? And that's pretty much it. We'll see what happens in the next in the next episode of this. I'm gonna go over the NASDAQ because the NASDAQ pretty much, and all the indices just pretty much folded under the pressure of the tariffs. Right now, gold is the only safe haven. What I would say against it all. Nothing is ever certain, and when nothing is certain, gold is the value rush for the time. Everyone will know that if we're falling on everything else and gold is sitting near ATH all time high, then that value, especially if we have further deviations, um, we've been having deviation measurements like this would actually also be projected. If it broke this, then the deviations would be the target because we don't have any structure up here. So if we can just keep hunting deviations on breaks, that would be the ideal circumstance here. But that's assuming that we actually get through this consolidation range with any certainty. Uh, it's just extra markups. Y'all take care. Be safe over the weekend. And we will be back when time is due.